Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, I will be harvesting those beautiful green leaves. Those are my Georgia collards. Some of them are starting to bolt, but I'm gonna harvest them up. I sprayed them down with some neem oil not too long ago, so that I kind of scale back on the creatures getting to it before I can get to it. I'm the ultimate creature that wants to be eating on my food, so today I'm going to be harvesting that. Got some other things going on in the garden. I got this dragon fruit right behind me. That's Axe. I have a good friend of mine that's about to come and pick that up. Then I got some trimming to do on the dragon fruit. Now that the dragon fruit is starting to bud and flower, I don't want any of the new growth to interfere with the budding process and the flowering process. So I'm going to trim off some new growth that's around the buds. All right, come with me as I harvest and get everything done. Guys, so trimmed off the new growth from here so that these buds can focus on producing fruit. Look at this beautiful flower. So my good friend came bearing gifts. Look at this, brought me a bunch of strawberries with strawberries on there already. Looking real healthy. Look at that, y'all. Bless up, bless up. You know the motto on the page. Each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.